Whether you know it as a children's song that involves a lot of clapping or a game that people used to get together in a hall to play, bingo is an easy way to help your child learn his or her alphabet. Hi, I'm Miss Catherine, and this is Preschool Pointers, where each week I bring you a focus, a fact, and a little bit of easy fun.
Today, we're continuing our focus of letter recognition. Today's fact is that children's knowledge of letter names and sounds is the best predictor of their later reading and spelling abilities. Letter names and letter sound knowledge predict later literacy skills. Preschool and kindergarten students with poor knowledge of letter names and sounds are more likely to struggle with learning to read and be classified as having reading disabilities.
Today's fact just reinforces that it's very important to help your preschooler learn his or her letters. It's going to make a difference when they start trying to learn to read, and it's going to keep them from potentially falling behind their peers. So today's fun is a preschool version of bingo. In the description box, I've linked a source where for free you can download and print off some very simple bingo cards that are made up of uppercase and lowercase letters. You can use anything that you want to as the placeholders in the game. Pennies, Halloween candy you didn't like, beans, whatever you've got lying around. So there are numerous ways you can play bingo with these cards. You could, for instance, spell out your child's name and let them use the markers on the sections of the card. You could get a whiteboard and boldly and clearly print out a word and then let them try to find those letters again on the card. You could get some books from the library. Again, I've linked a couple in the description box for you. And as you turn the pages and see the letters, the alphabet printed on the pages, you could help them identify the letter from the book and connect it to the letter on their card. Be sure when you're going through the game and playing with them that not only you tell the letter's name, but you also make the sound, because we want to begin to associate the sounds and not just the names. They need to know both. So for instance, you wouldn't just say, there's a letter B. You would say B, 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 or Z, Z, Z. This quick game is just one more way that you can begin to help your child build a foundation for success in school later on. If you're worried that you don't have a printer at home and so you don't have a way to get these bingo cards, don't worry. I've also put some information and a link you can click in the description box so that you can go to our website. Even though we're currently closed to the public, you can still get printing done through us, and that link will show you how. I just want to make sure that you know and you feel confident that you can easily assist your child in getting ready to read. We're here to help you. Join me next week, won't you? And I'll have another fun and simple idea to help the preschooler in your life get ready to read.